How to download VeinMiner for Minecraft. So first what you will need to do is just simply click on the link that I will put in the description below. So it should bring you right here to this website, and you just simply need to find the game version that you're currently on. So I'm currently on 1.21.1, and what you will need to do is also find the data pack platform right here. So the data pack and the version. So I have mine right here. You just simply need to click on the download button and wait for it to download. So when it is downloaded, just open up your Minecraft, click on single player, and just simply click on create new world. Once you're here, I'm just going to change the name to VeinMiner. Then click on more, go to data packs, click on open pack folder. And what you want to do now is just simply place data pack right here that we downloaded earlier. Once it's done, it should be right here. As you can see, what you'll need to do now is just simply select the data pack right there. And once it's done, just simply click on done. And just simply click on create new world and wait for the world to load. So now we are going to try to mine these coals right here. So just simply mine it, and as you can see, everything was mined. So everything that is close to the coal will be mined just like that. So I'm just gonna show it again to you guys to show you that it actually works. So I'm just gonna, as you can see, I just mined it and everything was mined. So of course it's the same type. If it's the same type, it will be mined. And that's how you basically download VeinMiner for Minecraft.